Fizz buzz, fizz buzz. Oh my.
MairuCLI is an educational CLI wrapper that transforms dangerous command line mistakes into engaging learning experiences through a polished, unforgettable Halloween-themed interface. MairuCLI features a 3-tier warning system. Critical dangers are blocked, caution-level commands require confirmation, and typos offer helpful corrections. When you encounter a dangerous command, press B for an interactive breakdown that explains exactly what each part does and why it's dangerous. And the Halloween party never ends. With 100+ wickedly fun variations, every warning is a new surprise. Feast your eyes on this.
Game over! Remove the Enter key. Disk exorcism. Economic stimulus.
The achievement system gamifies learning. Unlock achievements as you explore, making mistakes a fun part of the learning journey. This application was built using Kiro, an AI-powered development environment designed for spec-driven development and collaborative coding. Working with Kiro felt like having a thoughtful pair programming partner. It helped me design features, write tests, catch bugs, and refactor code. The experience wasn't just productive, it was genuinely enjoyable. Building this together over 14 days felt less like work and more like creative collaboration.